11th problem, find the length of the AB in the given figure of a rectangle ABCD. So here the figure given ABCD, in this figure AD is 6 centimeter and BD is 10 centimeter. So it is called as diagonal. It is diagonal of a rectangle. So we need to find out AB here. So how can we find AB? So from triangle ABD. So from this rectangle I am taking this triangle ABD. Okay, it is right angle triangle. Okay, it is here the angle is 90 degrees. Okay, it is right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, so we have one theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. What is the hypotenuse? Here BD is the hypotenuse. BD or DB. Okay, let us take BD. BD square equal to base square. Base is AB. AB square plus height is 6 centimeter whole square. See here. So BD square. So here, okay, no problem. Instead of 6 centimeter whole square, let us write first AD whole square. In the second step, we will write every value. AD whole square. Okay, see BD is 10 centimeter, right? See 10 centimeter whole square equal to AB, we need to find, we don't know, plus AD 6 centimeter whole square. Okay, now, so 10 centimeter whole square means 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Okay, so 10 centimeter square means what? We need to multiply 10 centimeter 2 times is equal to AB square. 6 centimeter whole square means 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. So 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, 100 centimeter square equal to AB square. 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter, 36 centimeter square. Okay, so 100 centimeter square transpose plus 36 centimeter square. It can be written as minus 36 centimeter square equal to AB square. Okay, so 100 centimeter square minus 36 centimeter square, 64 centimeter square we will get is equal to AB square. So AB square equal to 64 centimeter square. We want only AB, right? So if you transpose square, it can be written as root 64 centimeter square. AB equal to square root of 64. So 64 can be written as 8 into 8. See, 8 into 8. Centimeter square can be written as centimeter into centimeter. So to find out square root, we will take, instead of 2 8s, we will take 1 8. Instead of 2 centimeter, we will take 1 centimeter. So AB equal to 8 centimeter. So here the value of AB in the given figure is 8 centimeter. Okay, see here, just simply here from this figure we will take triangle ABD. So triangle ABD is a right angle triangle. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. So here AB is the base and AD is the height. So hypotenuse is BD. So hypotenuse square BD square equal to base AB square plus height AD square. Okay, so BD is given 10 centimeter here. 10 centimeter whole square equal to AB, we need to find out AB square plus AD is 6 centimeter whole square. So 10 centimeter whole square means 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter equal to AB square plus 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter 100 centimeter square equal to AB square plus 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter 36 centimeter square. So 100 centimeter square minus 36 centimeter square equal to AB square. So 100 centimeter square minus 36 centimeter square, 64 centimeter square equal to AB square. So here AB square equal to 64 centimeter square, AB equal to square root of 64 centimeter square. So AB equal to 64 can be written as 8 into 8. Centimeter square can be written as centimeter into centimeter. So instead of 2 8s we can take 1 8. Instead of 2 centimeters we can take 1 centimeter. So AB equal to 8 centimeter. So here the length of AB in the given figure is 8 centimeter.